My headlights weren't on that whole time. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm thinking of heading out for a kind of like a media day shoot with the guys. We got quite a few cars coming out. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna try to record some of the drive. We got like a jerry-rigged setup going here. We'll see what that looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to my boy's house, meet up with him, and then go to the spot where we're taking pictures. So I will see you there. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it a shot. I'm afraid to turn the traction control off just because that would be a lot. What is this guy? Second gear. My headlights weren't on that whole time. That was stupid. I'm in first. Can the light turn green? Thank you. Everyone's going under the speed limit back there. It's 55, everyone's going 40. And this guy just wanted to hit me. Got a Panamera but can't drive. Let's see. We're gonna stick right now. I think that's good driving footage for this drive. We'll pick back up on the way to the spot we're gonna take pictures, or what I'll do is I'll just get there and record some of the pictures and the guys and the cars that show up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more driving POVs like this one, or if you'd prefer some other way. I'm gonna be experimenting a lot here and there. But yeah, let's just kind of see what happens, where it goes. All right, boys, peace out. All right, boys, we are outside ready to roll, and we're gonna go to the spot we're gonna shoot right now. I will see you there. Let's get to it. All right, boys, we are outside. All the boys right here. C63s, Supras, Lambos, B58s, SQ5, X3, got a 5.0, the GLE, 1240, and me. We are outside. Let's go get to the shoot. All right, boys. We are outside near the airport right now. We got about, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars outside. Squad rolled deep. We're still trying to figure out getting everyone set up right now. This is why we're here. You get to see the airplanes flying over. You see that? Boom. That's gonna cut straight into a sick shot of all the boys posted up. Let's see if we can finish getting everyone set up. All right, boys, we are setting up the cars. It's really dysfunctional, but we got the SUVs out here. We got a couple of the boys already set up right here. W205, got a couple more AMGs down there. Huracan right there, the Supra out there. We're gonna finish setting them up and then get some fire shots, and we'll get them posted up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, realized I never recorded an outro, so we're doing that right now. If you made it this far in the video, Please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you liked that video, if there's anything that you would have rather seen. So let me know. We do a lot of hangouts with the guys. I'm trying to record more of it and get it uploaded. You know, it's hard to live in the moment and record everything as well. But I'm trying to find a good balance, and hopefully I'll be able to get some better videos out for you guys soon. All right? Peace out.